Welcome back to the channel. So this is something I got last week. It's a weather station. I don't know if you can see it real good, but I got an app on my phone. Relative humidity 94.9. Winds 1 mile an hour with gust at 4 miles per hour. And it just will give me rainfall in all the fields, so I can be a little bit more accurate on keeping up all that. But that is from Farmer's Edge, and we'll be seeing more videos, upcoming videos with them later on. So we finished the field up that we was cutting in yesterday. We got loads on this truck and a partial load on the white truck. We're airing up tires. Chance of rain about 3 or 4 today. It's drier for in the morning than what it's been as far as grass and stuff. So we're going to set up on the bends to haul out of the bends if we can. We might get to combining yet, so we're going to be set up on the bends regardless. And I took a sample out of one of the bends over to my friend's shop and checked the moisture, and our moisture tester is showing lower this morning, and it was showing higher last night, so Dad's going to try to find another moisture checker. So we'll bring you back something else. Well, that truck right there is full. This has got a little bit on it. They say the rain ain't gonna hit for a couple more hours, so we're gonna try to shell. We gotta get these trucks unloaded first. Well, we are running. For how long, I don't know. Dad had a doctor's appointment. I thought he'd be back by now. And got a few little showers, sprinkles on the windshield on the way up here. I'm not going to say this is going to be the best yielding field here. If you kept up with me during planting, there was some track hoe work done. I didn't get to smooth that up, and got track hoe tracks, compaction, whatnot. So maybe the rain's going to hold off, but right now I'm just trying to open up the field. So when it does quit raining, we can get in here and park our trucks and everything, which I don't know how much it's going to rain. This over here is some inroads. I don't think my spray worked out the best, kind of right through this area. That's something I'm going to try to change with a sprayer this year. But I think there's going to be spots really good in this field, and I think there's going to be some pretty poor. is what it is. And I think my dad is on the way back, so probably won't get to play on the combine too much more. The boss man is down there. So my day is short-lived on the combine. I'm gonna grab a sample and go test it. So I'm borrowing my friend's checker, hopper, or moisture checker. And we're gonna get us a reading. (16.3) moisture. Well, I'm starting to get drops on my windshield, so this may be short-lived. Well, the sun come out for a little bit. I ain't gave up yet on getting the truck out. I'm waiting on Dave to get back, and when he gets back, we're going to get the grain cart in semi if it's not raining. But I didn't notice he had cap corn until the last video I done a drone shot, and you can really see it now. Looking dark, starting to lightning. I don't know if we're gonna get a truck loaded or not. Y'all see that pile on the ground? That's the reason why we don't unload on the go. He pulled up here to me. There used to be an old pond here. My aunt and uncle that owns it had it taken out last spring, and I didn't get a chance to test it, but he's stuck pretty good. Chain to the weight bracket and it's starting to rain. That's a pretty big rut right over there. And let's like the rain's about to hit, so he's gonna unload what little he's got on me, and I'm gonna hit the truck, and I say we're done. Well, my tractor made a noise right when I was backing up, and I've either seized another pump, I'm afraid, or even worse, it won't crank now. And the rain is here, and got a buggy full of corn. It's one of them days. I'm sorry for the footage, but I think he's about stuck too. It's turned into a fuster cluck this afternoon.
Go backwards, you can go right up.
Think he's gonna get out backwards. Well, it seemed to quit raining. Well, it's come a monsoon in the last 30 minutes. Gave up on the tractor, gonna wait till it dries up. So that will be the outcome on the next video of it, maybe. So thanks for taking the time to watch and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and bell. Leave me a comment, and I'm soaking wet. We'll catch you later.